Welcome to the Peacock Information Center, home of peafowl.com.
What can I say about this kind of weather in Iowa? The lens of the camera is getting full of snowflakes. October 10th, on the back of me, on the roof up there, of our peacock barn, are two of our peacocks who decided to stay out last night. Now, they only said we're going to have flurries. Wow, I like to see the next time they say we have snow, because these are 5 inches of flurries. This pen behind me has a lot of snow on top of it. Now, my first chore this morning with this October surprise is I got to get the snow off of the wire. If not, it'll destroy the wire. Snow is very heavy and it can tumble your cages down really fast in the winter. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! It's not Christmas. It's October 10th. We're not supposed to have snow this time of the year. Any case, I got my ho, 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 and I gotta go in the pens right behind me because the weight of the snow is gonna cause severe damage to the pens if I don't get it off fast. One more to go and I'm all done. It's not supposed to be this way on October 10th. Oh my goodness. Again, ho ho ho! I'm done. Another surprise you have in the winter time, especially in October, is your peacocks decide to stay out at night. On the top of the golden barn are 2 peacocks who didn't go to bed last night. They look kind of really cold and snowy. Wait till you see this. Can't wait to see how they're going to get off the roof. I don't think my hoe is going to help them like it did with getting the snow off the pens. We'll have to see how they get down.